So what has been happening in Acholi sub-region is the government failing to take responsibility, or if they take responsibility, they always do it for public relations or to appease just the people. So, but there are issues in Acholi, issues of land compensation, issues of cattle compensation. Before even you go for the cattle compensation, the people of Acholi still have anger because the issue, there are certain truths that have not been told, okay? So before you go to cattle compensation, the issues of war victims.
Yes.
Everyone in Acholi is a war victim. They could have been affected or infected in one way or the other. I myself, I grew up in the IDP camps in Akwang, in Pajimo, okay? So you expect our generation to have lost, okay? That's why there are arguments of people who say that the Acholi sub-region is about 50 years behind other parts of the country. We're just a resilient group of people in Uganda. But otherwise, we would even be worse. We're just a very resilient group. There are issues in relation to war victims. There are issues, and these are atrocities committed by both government and the rebels. And these are facts that are on record. So the Acholi people feel that government does not acknowledge this enough. So the aspect of truth-telling that he has been talking about.
Yes.
Before we go for national reconciliation or even dialogue, there should be truth-telling. Government must, on their part, come and accept their responsibility or the mistakes that have been done to the people of Acholi. Two, when these things came by and we saw the situation of the war, progressively cattle was taken, okay? And it's on record that the people who were fighting in the NRA then contributed in the looting of the cattle. But of course, you know, for the politics of divide and rule, they blame the Karamojong, our brother in Karamoja, which is not true. We know that fact. So there are things that are glaring in the public that is not talked about.
The truth, the lies, and politics.